How to improve your public speaking skill. Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we will be discussing how to improve your public speaking skills. Public speaking is a critical life skill that can help you succeed in many areas of your personal and professional life. Whether you're giving a presentation at work, delivering a speech at a wedding, or simply speaking up in a meeting, it's important to feel confident and prepared when you're in front of an audience. The first tip to improving your public speaking skills is to practice. Practice, practice. The more you speak in front of an audience, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Find opportunities to speak in front of others, whether it's in front of your classmates, coworkers, or community group. The second tip is to know your material. Whether you're giving a presentation or a speech, it's important to have a clear understanding of what you want to say and how you want to say it. Make sure you've done your research and have a solid understanding of your topic. Practice delivering your speech or presentation until you have it memorized and can speak comfortably without relying on notes. The third tip is to engage your audience. When you're speaking in front of a group, it's important to keep their attention and interest. Use body language, eye contact, and storytelling techniques to help keep your audience engaged. Make sure to vary your tone and pace, and use props or visual aids to help illustrate your points. The fourth tip is to manage nervousness. It's normal to feel nervous when speaking in front of an audience, but there are ways to overcome those nerves. Take deep breaths, focus on your breathing, and remind yourself that you know your material and are prepared. Practicing visualization techniques, such as imagining yourself giving a successful speech, can also help calm your nerves. These are just a few tips to help you improve your public speaking skills. Remember that the more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you'll become.